Hi, I'm Dan Nicol from Dan Really Likes Wine, and amongst my selections for wines of the month at Pick n Pay this month would have to be this great big magnum of loveliness from Stellenbosch. This is from the Warwick estate, and I have to confess I'm a little bit biased because the day after I got married, my wife and I and our family celebrated with a picnic lunch at Warwick, partly because the food's nice, partly because the views are terrific, but mostly because their wine is fantastic, and this is another reminder. It's called the First Lady, which is a tribute to a lady called Norma Ratcliffe. She was one of the first women to be part of the Cape Winemakers Guild, and she was the winemaker at Warwick for many years and has left a legacy almost as rich as this particular wine that's got a beautiful regal luster to it, and it's just perfect to drink with anything red meatish once you've headed off to the butcher at Pick n Pay. It's in a Magnum, so there's plenty of it next time you're having a dinner party with a few friends. It's also a really good vintage. 2015 was the year Cabernet Sauvignon rocked the world from Stellenbosch, but many winemakers feel 2017 was even better. I'll let you be the judge once you get a bottle of this, and a bottle at a really good price, because every month Pick n Pay offers you a Magnum at a really special price. This is the Magnum for this month, and the price, well, normally 220 Rand, which is already a pretty good deal on a wine this good. It comes down to just 176 Rand. So one of many great deals this month at Pick n Pay. Look out for 10 different wines that are 20% off each if you're a member of the Pick n Pay Wine Club, which is free to join just by sending your smart shopper number to the number on screen at the moment. You also get 25% off a particular case each month, and if you're buying online, it is free delivery for 6 bottles or more. And don't forget, 3 times the smart shopper points if you're buying wine and you are a member of the wine club. So become a member if you're not already. If you are, head down to Pick n Pay. This is available in store only as a special. It's a whole Magnum, 1.5 litres of fabulous Stellenbosch Cabernet Sauvignon.